So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete the DOD or AFM as some people call it. Basically all we're going to do is use some set screws, tap the block, and seal off these holes. So the only tools we need for this job is a 3/8 tap, 8, 3/8 set screws, 5/8 long, some Loctite. So you can see I already have 3 done. Basically, set screw goes in here. As you can see, it's not quite tight yet, but it's almost flush. And then we'll use some Loctite to seal this off completely and stop it from backing out. So yeah. So basically I just done the first one, took my time tapping it, found how deep to put the set screw, then I just taped up my tap. So yeah. So as I just start my tap like so, as you can see, it's going in nice and smooth. And all I'm going to do is bring it down to this tape mark. So we'll bring that to the tape mark. Just take it back out. Wipe off the debris. I'm going to have to clean this out anyway. Take my 3/8 set screw. Nice and flush. So I'll just repeat those steps now for the next 3. I already done 4. Same steps. So the reason why I'm doing it this way is because it actually costs significantly less than buying the cover with the O-rings on to seal these off. So the cover for just a regular cover and deleting it the way I'm doing it now is roughly around 55 bucks Canadian. The cover with the O-rings to delete these without doing this process is around 9 bucks Canadian. So I figured I'd save myself 40 bucks by spending $3 on set screws and just doing it this way. It's a bit more labor intensive, but like I said, this engine's all about the budget, so. Okay, so we're down to the tape on this one. I like to just play with the tap a little bit when I'm taking it out. Make sure the threads are nice. Wipe out the debris. Try my set screw, make sure the height is good. Perfect. Now, On to the next one. So like I said, if you don't do this, essentially the oil just comes up, goes through the valleys and the lifter cover and the valley cover. As you can see, all these veins. Oil actually runs through these veins, comes out these holes, as you can see, which is controlled by these solenoids by the ECM. So we're just trying to eliminate that because we don't need that for racing. So that one's good. I'll just go ahead and do the next one now.
So these blocks are actually supposed to be stronger than what you had to do this DOD delete. So now I get them all tapped. I'll just take it all 6 screws.
So guys, I got everything all tapped. Got all the bone, the bosses tapped. So I'm gonna remove them. If you had a compressor, it would be a good idea to just blow these out, which I already did. So okay guys, so got my Loctite here. Just gonna put a little bit on the threads just to seal it. You got no worries about them coming out anyway because there's a cover on this. So this is just basically just for sealing the oil. Should be no oil coming through this way anyway, but it's better to be safe.
A little bit of thread locker. Tighten that one up.
Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have all the plugs in now. That one went a bit deep, but as long as they're in there to stop the oil pressure from leaking, should be fine. So yeah, that's how you do a AFM or DOD delete, as some people call it, on these Gen 4 5.3 litres. So in the next video, I'll be cleaning the block, installing the camshaft and head studs.